Hey, come take a look at this, man. Who's in Frankie's truck?
I know, it can't be Frankie.
Oh, wow, that was great.
How was that?
Oh, it was amazing.
But I'm not sure. There's something maybe off with the truck.
Something was off, but just the bumper.
Yeah, let me check this out.
Hey guys, this is Bryce Kinsley, the VP of Maintenance over at Ryder. He was telling me about this skills competition where they take the best of the best maintenance technicians from across Ryder and they compete for the title of Top Tech. It sounds amazing. The championship is held in a different city every year. They get to bring a guest and they get treated like a celebrity for a whole week. I mean, I wonder what that is like. I mean, who knows? Bryce, show these guys the video you were telling me about.
Absolutely. Check this out, guys.
Top Tech winner is Warren Smith. Thanks, everybody. Have a great evening.
Did I see that right? The Top Tech champion gets $50,000.
You are correct. The winner gets a really big check, and this year we're presenting it in Minneapolis.
Ooh, the mini apple. As in Minneapolis? So, Bryce, tell us more about the 10 technicians that made it to the championship round.
Absolutely. I could even do better than that. Check this out, guys.
You know, Bryce, that sounds amazing, and I'd love to be there, but unfortunately we race that weekend.
That's not a problem. Every year we live stream the event. So what I can do is send you the link and you can watch it from anywhere, including the track.
Perfect. Sounds great.
Bryce, thank you so much for stopping by and telling us all about Top Tech.
Absolutely my pleasure. I always love talking about Top Tech, but hey, before I leave, do you think I can get in the truck and take a couple more laps?
No. Unfortunately, yeah, we're out of tires.
Yeah, they're out of bumpers too. Short between the steering wheel and the seat, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Frankie, your new truck's here.
Sweet, I'm gonna go check out my new ride.
Hey, Bryce, do you guys have any openings for technicians?
Absolutely. Give me a call when you get a chance.
Deactivate collision avoidance? Check. Wonder how this thing handles in the corners. Only one way to find out. Let's do this.